Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is VALERMAR and this channel is all about finance. I'll be doing this challenge and I'll love you guys to be on board with me. So let's make this happen. This challenge is called the 100 envelope challenge. The goal of this challenge is that by the end of the 100 days period, you should have saved around $5,000 or more. In this challenge, you're going to get envelopes like these ones that I have here, and you are going to number them from 1 to 100 for 100 days, which is around 3 months if I'm not wrong. So yes, and when you have prepared your envelopes, then you are going to be putting money in each envelope every single day. So you're going to pick an envelope randomly, and whatsoever number you pick, you make sure you put the amount. So why did I come up with that idea? I'm going to give you a brief history of where I come from. So where I come from, we have this thing called Jangi, right? So what is Jangi? Jangi is a group of family members, friends, neighbors who share a common view and they come together to form a group. So when the group is formed, they fix a date for their meetings. And on that day, members usually agreed on a certain amount that they'll be given, and also a ballot is thrown. So if you pick number 1, you're the first person to pick the money. So if there are 10 people and then you pick maybe number 5, you have to wait for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 to pick the money. So if there are 10 people and they agree that each person has to give $10, some will want to give more, so it depends. But let's just say $10. So if they agreed upon the amount that is going to be $10, so $10 this month, number 1 picks $10 for 10 people, so it's like $100. Number 1 picks, number 2, number 3 each month until your time, and it rotates until everybody has received their money, which to me is like a form of saving because you're giving, the money keeps rotating until it comes back to you. So that is why I am doing this challenge. I do not like doing the jangy thing because it has its advantages and disadvantages, and I just don't want to go through the stress and the headache. So I do my own jangy, and I'm inviting you to start your personal jangy as I'm going to start mine along with me. I know everyone's financial situation is different. So if, for example, you pick envelope number 52 and you do not have the $52 or your currency that you're using, you can use less money. But what is it is important is that you should do this saving challenge, and trust me, you will thank me later. So, and also a tip that I can give you is you don't want to be putting the exact amount because that will make you to like make your calculations and be like, okay, in 100 days I'm getting this. You want it to be like a surprise to you. So if this is $52 and then you have maybe $10, okay, you put it. If you have more than $52, okay, you can also insert it. If you take maybe your envelope number 1 and you have $5 in there, you put it. That will avoid you to track the envelopes to know the exact amount. This challenge should not discourage you, or you should tell yourself, I can't do it because I'm not financially stable, I'm going through a lot. No. Tell yourself you can do it. If you were doing it with other people, you will look for the money to give each and every one in the group. So that's the same thing. Tell yourself you can do it and be positive. I want to thank each and everyone who has subscribed to this channel. And if you are new here, please, before you leave or while you are watching this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button. You click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I also want you to drop your guess on how much you can save within 100 days. Just drop any amount and let's see if we can do it together. We will continue to put money in our envelopes until we get to 100 days. If you see this video and you think you are late, just know that this video is never late. Like, you can do it whenever you see this video, even if it's at the end of the month or the beginning of the month. The most important thing is that you are willing to start this challenge. I'll make sure that I will come up with more challenges, so it can be like 6 days, it can be a week, it can be a month, it can be a year, so on and so forth. What I want is that we should all try to save some money. This money might help you in opening a business. This money might help you in paying out your debt. You know what this money can help you with. If you don't have the budget to buy envelopes, you can just get like a piece of paper and create your own envelope. You just need a place to keep money every single day. And guys, remember, you need to put money every day, because this is 100 days. If you forget to put today, make sure the next day you put for the 2 days. I don't know if I mentioned this. I do have another channel which the name is just VALERMAR. It's more of vlogs, a little bit of cooking, a little bit of everything in there. So if you're interested in looking at it as well, I'm going to put a name in here and the same in the description box, so you can go subscribe, show some love to me. I'll appreciate that. At the end of this challenge, I'll be making another video to show you guys how much I saved for the 100 days. This is all for today. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys are in. I'll be waiting on the comment section to see everybody saying I'm in and guess the amount that you can save within these 100 days. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.